Enjoying your Christmas presents, guys. Well, as you can see, boys are doing well. Still a little bit coughing, especially when they are getting excited, but not much. They'll sleep well at night, and there's still some snot in their noses. That will take a couple of weeks, I guess, before that really goes away. But they're doing fine. They are energetic. As you can see, they have had a good rest during the worst days, and they are making full recovery, so everything is fine. Thank you everyone who sent prayers and best wishes and everything. Much appreciated. It's wonderful to see them both out playing again, being energetic. And that Christmas present toy was apparently a success. How's it going, guys? So everyone, Merry Christmas, and see you soon. All love from Sweden, from the boys. See you later, guys.